Welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering at MIT World Peace University, where innovation powers progress.
Our curriculum is perfect blend of the core engineering principles from mechanical and advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, electric vehicles, and smart manufacturing.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering is launchpad for your tomorrow. We have state-of-the-art infrastructure, research facilities, and experienced faculty members for your better tomorrow.
With the state-of-art laboratories in robotics, thermal system, smart manufacturing, sustainable energy technologies, our students gain the hands-on experience with latest tools and technology.
Building a prototype for an autonomous vehicle was truly life-changing. It taught me how to integrate scientific knowledge, creativity, and advanced technologies to solve real-world problems.
Our strong industry collaborations provide our students a lot of opportunities for internships, placements, and work on different cutting-edge technologies in various industries like Industry 5.0, Industry 4.0, and different smart manufacturing technology as well as energy efficient systems.
At our mechanical engineering department, we encourage students through various technical clubs like SAE Baja, SAE Supra, Team Bolt, Vega Pod, and Team Dart.
Learning through experiments and simulations has deepened my understanding about the real-world applications.
Learning from the industrial expert has broadened my perspective in applying my engineering knowledge in practical and impactful manner. My internship at TATA enabled me to have practical experience and have hands-on experience on the recent trends in the industry.
Research and innovation is the integral part of our program. The students are getting chance to publish their work.
I'm thrilled to share that I have been placed in ATS Conveyors, a top organization in the material handling sector.
I did my final year internship at Mercedes Benz Development in India, where I gained practical experience and applied my engineering knowledge to it.
As a passion from childhood by creating robots in my own lab named RoboWin, I thank MIT-WPU for bringing up my technical skills and practical knowledge.
The Mechanical Engineering Students Association, MESA at MIT-WPU, fosters innovation and collaboration through workshops, guest lectures, and many other activities.
The world-class infrastructure where you can meet all the research activity and you can fulfill your dream.